morning everybody, my name is Christian Leschiuta, I'm the Sales Director for Intermark Glass & Stone Division. I'm here at the 50 Marmomag Verona Fair event. It was a great pleasure to participate to this event. We had a lot of visitors from more than 45 countries, a lot of sales opportunities. We did present our new innovation and partnership Together for Excellence, together with Donatoni, one of the leading international companies in the bridge sew business. I wanted to special thanks to all our partners, our agents, our subsidiaries that did participate with a great passion. And thank you, and see you next year for the next event.